So one of my goals for this year is to vlog more, and I'll start off by showing you the first week of spring semester and what it looks like. So I just got back to New York last night and I'm so tired. Excuse my face. I feel like I need to sleep for 2 days straight and then I'll be fine. So now it's Sunday, so I'm just gonna do some grocery shopping because I have no food at home and I need to cook for tomorrow, and I also need to make like some food to eat for today. And then I'll be back home and I'll spend the rest of the day chilling and like recharging my batteries for tomorrow because I have my first class tomorrow and I need to look like I'm more alive than I do right now. Look what I got, the BTS season greetings for 2020. Let's unbox it. I want to do an ASMR, but I don't have that kind of microphone, so should I go like this? I'm so excited. So this is what it looks. They all look so cute on the cover. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, this was easier than I thought it would be. Okay, and how do I open this? Do I have to pull it from here? Yes, so I have to pull it from here. Okay. Okay, how do I open this now? Oh, like this. Are we ready? I'm not ready. Oh, okay, let's go. Here we go. I can see something. And let's do like a dramatic opening. Ta-da! Oh my god! Oh my god! The planner is so cute! Let's open it. So I actually want to have a planner dedicated to YouTube where I write down ideas I have for videos and like a schedule for videos, because up to now I only like put everything down on my laptop and I feel like it's not very like beneficial. So I'm gonna start using this cute BTS planner to do that. It's glittery here, like the cover, and look at them, they look so cute. Okay, and then it says here the 2020 season greetings. And we have a calendar for this year and also for next year. And I like the smell of this because it smells like new. I'm a weirdo, so I like the smell of new books, new planners. And this is what it looks like in terms of the format. So you can do like the to-do list for each month, and then also like for weeks. So for like January by day, and then like this, so like every week. And then it also says like the name of the members, J-Hope, RM. This is so cute. Oh, and we have more pictures here. Yoongi and RM. Oh my god. Jungkook, Jimin. I love those black and white pictures. Jim. They all look so cute. I mean, when the DVD, and it actually has Korean, English, and Chinese subtitles because I checked on the back of the box. So I'll be watching this tonight or maybe tomorrow. And now we have the postcards. Okay, let's see. So this is a message from Namjoon. You can't really see it because it's on this clear thing. It's in Korean and it says something about 2020, and I also assume about the year of the rat. Here's RM, my bias. Okay, so each member has a message. So this is okay, so it looks like this. You have like the message here, and then you have a picture of Namjoon, and then with Suga here, so you have like his message and then his picture here, and then here we have a 3D I think postcard. It's with J-Hope. Look at this, it's so cool. And what we have here, look at them, it's Taeyong with Suga. I want to put all those pictures up my walls, but I don't have enough space. But I want to like look at them every day. So we have Namjoon, oh my god, J-Hope, Jimin, Taeyong, and Jungkook. And then here we have this. Are those the stickers? I think they are. Yeah, those are the stickers. Look at them, so cute. Then what do we have here? Those look like passport pictures. Like, look at this. But they look better than me in those passport pictures. This is the calendar. Can't wait. I really need the calendar for this year because I don't have one yet. And I'm not the kind of person who only checks their calendar on their phone. I need like an actual desk calendar or a wall calendar, because every time like I work at my desk, I like to look at my calendar, not on my phone or my laptop, and you know, like put important dates in it and stuff like that. I'm kind of old school. Okay, so this is a desk calendar. Oh, it starts from here. Jin, and it looks like this. I feel like the calendar is, yeah, so the calendar starts from here, and January starts with Jin, and it's all black and white. Black and white. We also have some colored ones, and we're black, white. Okay, and that's all. Okay, and that's all. Oh, and I also received a gift when I purchased this from the store. It's a mouse pad. Isn't it cute? Good morning, everyone. It's officially Monday, aka the first day of the spring semester. I'm still at home because I don't have class until late in the afternoon, and now I'm trying to figure out how to format the memory card for my camera because I want to record for this vlog, but I keep getting a 0 at the top of the screen and it's in red, and every time I try to like record something, it beeps. So now I'm watching tutorials on YouTube to learn how I can format my how I can format my SD card. It's very confusing, but I gotta learn how to do it so I can start recording again. So for now, I'm just gonna record on my phone. So for today, I'm just gonna bring my bag because I don't have my textbook for this class yet, so I'm not bringing too much with me. And I'm done. I'm going to Old Navy to get the pair of jeans because I only have one left and they're like ripped jeans and it's so cold outside, so I need like a normal pair of. My textbooks have arrived. It feels like it's Christmas. Look, I even got some coupons. So yeah, those are all the textbooks that hopefully I'm gonna use this semester. Oh my god, this one is so heavy. Yeah. So nothing super interesting here, just like a bunch of textbooks. So I just got home from class. It's freezing cold outside. I think it's like -2 degrees, and it's, what's the time right now? It's like 9:30 in the evening. I'm kind of tired, so I'm just gonna eat something and then watch a bit of Netflix and go to bed because tomorrow I have a full day again. So peace. It's finally Friday. I'm so excited that the week is finally over. I have to go to a club meeting and then in the evening I'm going to a social mixer. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. It's been a quiet week, which I really liked, but yeah, this was the first week back and it passed by so fast, so I didn't mind at all that it went by so quickly. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you like it, and I'll be trying to post more vlogs of my life as a grad student. Bye.